Hello everyone and welcome to this lesson. Benvenuti a tutti a questa lezione, questa nuova lezione dove parliamo di 4 verbi, 4 verbs, 4 verbi less known in Italian or less used by foreigners in Italian. Number 1, benedire, to bless, not very used. Il Papa benedice, okay? The verb is benedire, but it gets conjugated with a C. So io benedico, tu benedici, lui, lei benedice, noi benediciamo, voi benedicete, loro benedicono. Benedire, to bless. Il Papa benedice i cattolici, il prete benedice tutti quelli, all of the people, okay? All the people che sono in chiesa, okay? Che sono, who are in church, okay? Benedire. Second one, invocare. Invocare is to call, okay? But it's not used for to call somebody, to phone somebody, or anything like that. Invocare is more for deities or for ideals, okay? Io invoco le divinità perché ci sia bel tempo, okay? Very fancy sentence. Invoco, I call upon all the deities so that we could have some good weather. So that's maybe not necessary to call all the deities, but anyway, it depends on your priorities in life, I guess. So invocare, to call upon. Pregare, I pray, ok? Io prego tutti i giorni, ok? Loro non pregano mai, pregare, to pray. And then last one is assediare. Assediare is to siege, okay? So this is a very technical sort of military verb, okay? Assediare. But you could also use it in different ways. For instance, you could say io mi sento sotto assedio a lavoro because everybody's bombarding me, okay? So I feel under siege. Sotto assedio al lavoro. Io mi sento assediato da mia moglie, okay? So, because my wife asks me a lot of questions, right? So you could say, mi sento assediato. Please don't use that as an excuse, if you know what I mean, and I think you do. So, io mi sento assediato, okay? So the verbs of today are assediare, pregare, invocare, and benedire. All of them regular with the exception of benedire, which ends or has the ending in si, okay? Io benedico. Also remember when it comes to benedire, that we never use it for regular people, okay? So in the United States, presidents and public speakers may say, God bless you, or God bless the US and whatnot. We don't do that. We don't use that verb. That verb is very religiously connotated, okay? So, assediare, pregare, invocare, benedire. Now go ahead and make sentences with those verbs. In that way, you could easily and fast improve your Italian. We'll catch up next time. Ciao!